Morning, dear students. As we are continuing lesson number 12 from our Holy Faith practice book. Previous lecture we completed all solve the problems and now start several multiple types of question from the chapter 12, that is ratio and proportion. So previous lecture completed question 1 and 2. Now we will start from question number 3. See, here it is the question number 3. Find the missing number in the box in the following. First digit is not given, is to 8. Sign of proportion 12 is to 32. We have to find out the first number. So first number is not provided. Write this way. Suppose it is x. X is to 8. Sign of proportion 12 is to 32. According to our formula, we have to find both the extreme, multiply both the extreme and then multiply this to middle. So 32 multiply x equal to 8 multiply 12. So now x equal to 8 multiply 12 upon 32. 8 4s are 32 and then 4 3s are 12. So x equal to 3. So in place of x, we write over here 3. So our required ratios are 3:8, sign of proportion 12 is to 32. Next question number 4. Here it is question number 4. The ratio of 8 books to 20 books is. So ratio of 8 and 20. 8 upon 20. Now make it reduce. 4 2s are 8 and 4 5s are 20. Cut both the 4 and 4. So the required ratio is 2:5. Required ratio 2:5. So the first answer is right. Here it is also first answer, that is 3 right. Question number 5. The ratio of the number of sides of a square to the number of edge of a cube is. Ratio of number of sides of a square, yani 4 side, and the number of edge also 1. So 4:1. Now number 6. 3 upon 5 equal to dash upon 20. Previously so many times I explained this one, that is 20 divided by 5 get 4 and then 4 multiply 3, that is 12. So in place of question mark answer will come 12. So option D is the right answer. Come for the next question. Solve the following. Which pair of ratios are equal? So here it is 4 upon 5, here it is 12 upon 20. If I reduce this, 2 6s are 12 and 2 10s are 20. Cut both 2 and 2. Then 2 is to 2 multiply 3 and 10 means 2 multiply 5. So the ratio is 3 upon 5. One is 4 upon 5, another one is 3 upon 5. So these two are not equal. These two are not equal. Next, here it is 4/6, so make it reduce. 2 2s are 4 and 2 3s are 6. Cut both 2 and 2. So the ratio is 2:3. And the first one also 2:3. That means these two are equal. 2/3 equal 4/6. Next question. Kesha prepared 18 kg of barfi by mixing khoa with sugar in the ratio of 7:2. How much khoa did she use? So khoa 7x, sugar 2x, and total 18 kg. So 7x plus 2x equal to 18. 9x equal to 18. Then x equal to 18/9, that is 2, because 9 2s are 18. So khoa equal to 7x. So put the value of x. So 7 multiply 2, that is 14. 14 kg khoa. 14 kg khoa. Next question. A line segment 56 centimeter long is to be divided into two parts in the ratio of 2:5. Find the length of each part. So total length 56 centimeter. Total length 56 centimeter. Two parts. First part 2x. Second part 5x. So 5x plus 2x equal to 7x. 7x equal to total 56 centimeter. So x equal to 56/7, that is 8 centimeter. So first part equal to 2 multiply 8, yani 16 centimeter. Second part 5 multiply 8, yani 40 centimeter. First part is 16 centimeter and second part is 40 centimeter. Come for the next. In a year, Kavisha earns, say 1, 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 3,60,000 and paid rupees 24,000 as income tax. Find the ratio of his first income to income tax. Income 3,60,000. Upon 24,000. Cut 3 zeros over here. 12 2s are 24. 12 3s are 36 and 0. 2 1s are 2 and 2 15 2s are 30. So the ratio is 15:1. The ratio of income to income tax is 15:1. Question number B. Income tax to income after paying income tax. So income is 3,60,000 and paying income tax 24,000. So the remaining amount rupees 3,36,000. Income tax to income after paying income tax 24,000, and here it is 3,36,000. Cut the zeros. Divide by 12. 12 twos are 24. Here it is 12 twos are 24. 33 minus 24. 9 and 6. 12 8s are. Cut both 12 and 12. Next it is 2 1s are 2. And 2 14 2s are 28. So the ratio is 1:14. Required ratio is 1:14.